Get ready with me, y'all. Today is Wednesday, wine and dine day, and I am hosting at my house today for the first time, so I'm so excited. Let's get ready together. I'm also watching Harry Potter in the background, so if you hear, that's what it is. The first thing I always do is start off with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown since I'm a little blonde. What a difference. To carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the One Size Concealer in the shade Fair. Look at the difference. I also just took off the beauty filter so that you can see how my makeup really looks. But I love the beauty filter. I'm using a 242 brush by MAC to carve my eyebrows out. I'm going to put some Laneige lip balm before I start my eyes. This one is a limited edition one in the shade Peppermint for the holiday. And it's so yummy. I'm obsessed. I'm going to prime my eyes with MAC 24-hour eyeshadow primer. So I got this collection, the Kylie Cosmetics Nightmare on Elm Street, and I just never got around to using it during October. So I'm going to be playing around with it today. That's what I'm going to use on my eyes. How gorgeous are these colors? If you could still get your hands on this palette, I would get it. I just applied the Dior Plump Filler and I'm going to blend it out. This is like a serum. It's supposed to plump up the face. I'm applying the Hydrogen Anti-Stress Gel Moisturizer. This is my favorite. I need to dial that in my entire body. Now I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Primer, my fave. I'm going to use a new foundation to see how I like it. This is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. They sent me 2 of them, so I'm going to try them out today. They sent me light warm and light neutral, so let's see which one fits better with my skin. This one is light warm. It's a little light, as you can see. But the coverage, bomb. Okay, so I kind of look like Casper the Ghost a little bit, Casper. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Glowish in light medium to kind of deepen my complexion and the outer perimeters. See how that deepened my skin compared to this side? Way better. I'm going to mix 2 concealers, Laura Mercier and Hourglass. Never done this concoction before, so let's see how it goes. First Laura, and then Hourglass right on the top. This one has a little bit more coverage. I love this concealer. Blending out good. Ooh, that's good. It's enough slice. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Sculpting Stick in the shade Medium Dark to contour it up. Look at how smooth this is blending out. Check out part 2, because it's going to take a while to finish. Part 2 of the makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario blush stick, and these are so pigmented, so you only want to use a little bit. Watch when I blend it out. Now I'm going to set my foundation, underneath my eyes and my T-zone with Laura Mercier setting powder. Now there's going to be a lot of noise in the background because my mom and dad are just loud. And now they just started playing music, so. I want to do like a pinky highlight, so I'm going to take the Scott Barnes highlight palette and I'm going to take the shade Pink Aboo and apply it right on the top of my cheeks for like a pinky moment. I'm going to put some mascara on. This Rare Beauty mascara is everything. My mom is so funny. Bomb, like bomb. Now we have the lashes by Kylie Cosmetics. This one is the Freddy Krueger ones, obviously. I'm gonna put them on. So actually these are divided in 4 and I really don't want to do all that right now. So I am just going to use a strip lash and then I'll use these another day. I'm going to use these by Tiana One. These are my favorite. Heartbreaker lashes. They're so dramatic and beautiful and long. I love Manifest by Tiana One, but these are amazing. The difference, y'all. I feel like over here I'm like, who's that girl? No, 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 no. I'm gonna use Half Red Lip Liner by MAC. I definitely overline my lips a lot. And you see the difference? My mom is singing. Apártate de mi lado. Bajo de doble fea. This was a lot darker than I expected. A lot Zorka. But I am gonna put the Dior lip oil in the shade Cherry. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Jesus, TikTok is so much work, guys. I always do 2 sprays, so I'm gonna do the Morphe one first and then the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter to super set. Just finished my makeup and I'm so in love with it. So on top of looking fabulous for no reason. The rest of the videos are gonna be me looking fly. He want my number, had to hit him with the Shout out to my friend who did my hair. She slayed this shit. Shout out to all the loyal bitches.